Welcome to another episode of I Need Facts. Don't forget to click the subscribe button for our daily uploads of interesting things. A topic that everybody's interested in, the coronavirus. Pangolins are being blamed for the jump from the virus from bats to people. Pangolins are also the world's most trafficked mammal. In China, this small mammal is almost extinct. Also, pangolins are the only mammals with scales. The scales are made of exactly the same material as a human's fingernail, and they're being slaughtered by the thousands in China as people think that the scales have magical properties. After testing more than 1,000 samples from wild animals, Chinese scientists at the South China Agricultural University have found that the genome sequence of the virus in pangolins to be 99% identical to those of the coronavirus patients. Although this is not scientific evidence. To conclusively identify the culprit, researchers would need to test each species that was on the sale at the infamous Wuhan Chinese market. This would be near impossible as the Chinese government have closed the Wuhan market. As can be seen here for some rare footage of the Wuhan market, the Chinese locals eat their way through the whole food chain. Where Westerners see dogs and cats as pets, the Chinese see food. Due to a very low hygiene standard and cross-contamination, this is what leads to many outbreaks of diseases and viruses. The Chinese are taking basic precautions from this airborne virus, using face masks and other basic procedures. The United States CDC has released a list of preventative measures to stop the spread of the virus. As there is currently no vaccine to prevent the infection, the best way is to avoid being exposed with these preventative measures. Number 1. Wash your hands often with soap and water for at least 20 seconds, especially after going to the bathroom, before eating and after blowing your nose. If soap and water is not available, use an alcohol-based sanitizer. Remember, if you need to cough or sneeze, to always do it into a tissue. This drastically reduces the spread of germs. Remember, after using a tissue, to always dispose of it correctly. Tip number 3. Clean and disinfect frequently touched objects and surfaces using a regular household cleaning spray and wipe. Avoid touching your eyes or face with unwashed hands. And if unwell, stay in bed and contact a medical professional. So what are the symptoms of the coronavirus? A cough or sore throat, a high temperature, feeling tired and difficulty breathing. Symptoms will appear roughly 2 to 10 days after contracting the virus. It is advised not to go straight to the doctor's surgery or hospital if you have the virus, as you risk spreading it to others. The NHS is asking anyone returning from Wuhan to self-quarantine themselves for 2 weeks. That is to stay away from work and other busy places and take care interacting with others. So this brings us to the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe as we bring you videos every day of interesting things. See you next time.